know what was happening then. A few issues. Let's get this show on the road. Okay. Started off well, but it started off well yesterday. So it's about keeping it, being disciplined. I guess that was my failing yesterday. Pinduoduo had great earnings this morning. Absolutely great earnings this morning. Straight up, and then continuation, fantastic. I'm watching RNA below the VWAP right now, so I'll come back to that. As long as Pinduoduo is above the VWAP, it does remain of interest. That's pretty much it right now. I've got that mixed up the wrong way around, haven't I? No, it's alright. It's right. That's fine. Have a look at EBS. Not great volume at the minute. I just alter this this volume here to 250. Get rid of all the junk on the session. There we go. That's a bit better. Alright, let's get the show on the road. Oh, another earnings mover. Alarm Technology. Yeah, no volume. And NVM. Yeah, no volume all round. Earnings though. Hold up. No volume. So of all the earnings this morning, all the earnings reporters, all the earnings prints this morning, only really Pinduoduo that's got anywhere. Pulling back some at the moment. So we'll just keep an eye on what else is moving. ICCM, low price stock mover. ICCM really making up. Bouncing up. Morning, Tom. How you doing? Yeah, it started pulling back. It's going for a bit of continuation now. Stone Cold. Low price stock mover. RDHL is testing the VWAP there at 120. Big mover yesterday, low price. Cheers, Mark. Well, I've got to do something from yesterday. I've got to recover yesterday's 10k loss and last week's losses. So I've got a drawdown to recover. This has gone from 74 cents to almost $1.50, so it's almost 100% up on the day. Current high of the day is $1.46. $1.48 will have it 100% up on the day. In case you're wondering why, I'll just check Benzinga and find out for you. IceCure Medical announces release of a study published in Cancer demonstrating safety and efficacy of ProSense disease-free survival rate was 92% at the median, and a follow-up of 26.5 months. It was a cancer study. Also, IceCure system successfully treated kidney cancer tumor with 92% disease-free survival rate and 100% secondary local control rate. Interesting. Do you love a good cancer treatment catalyst? ICCM, 20 million in the flow. We've got 20 million in the flow. Already higher relative volume on the day. I'll wait for it to break $2. And then I'll be interested in trading it. I know I'm missing a lot of the move, and it might be really extended up there, but that's just the rules I have. I'll reassess in the new year, have a look back and see, am I missing the trick here at the minute with some of these low stock movers? But I don't think so. It's time yet, Morg, as well. Come on. I was 7k up yesterday, and I ended up what, 16k red. Finished the day 10k red, but ended up 16k down. So from 7k up to 16k down. There's the entertainment there, Mark. That's the entertainment. So watch me add to this green and then give it away at the open. Everybody that's watching, make sure you smash the thumbs up button. Give me a little bit of appreciation for losing all my shirt, etc. BDRX, no, BDRX is down on the day at the moment. I've traded Pinduoduo on earnings. It's pulling back a little bit now. I've traded RNA as a good catalyst, a partnership with Bristol Myers Squibb, and I got a little bit out of SMX, which that's pulling back a little bit as well. But BDRX, not financial advice, just my opinion, no volume. It's down on the day. There's no, actually there's a bit of a range, there's 10-cent range on the ATR, but there's no volume. So there's nobody trading it at the moment. Look at all these blanks where there's no trades. 3,500 trades in total. Just over 200,000 in volume on the day. So there's nobody trading by a Dexter at the moment. So watch this space. Had a big day pre-market yesterday, but then sold off. Don't get married to these stocks, they're garbage. This moved up really well, up to like almost $9 at the open, but it sold off the rest of the day. So it's held about 50% of its gains, currently 484. So watch for it at the open maybe, but right now there's no trades. There's no day trade there. There's no opportunity there right now. Maybe a bit of volume comes in at the open, you'll see some more. But if you're holding bags from yesterday's pre-market session or from the opening session, if you're holding bags up at $7, $8, I don't fancy your chances of getting it back up there today. No worries, gangster. It's not so much the stop loss doesn't work, Stone Cold. So yesterday I got caught in we had a gap up. So what happens is, if you've got a stop loss, so for it to be effective, you can have a stop limit, okay? Which it would have just blown straight past and I would have still been in it. But if you've got a stop loss, effectively it's a trigger market order. So it hits at a particular level and then it executes a sell on your entire position at the best available market rate. Now, a fast moving stock, it's flushing down, you get a lot of slippage, and I got a lot of slippage. It worked out with because there's a few executions on the sell, but it worked out I lost over $1.20 on average. It was about $1.20 on average that I lost on that flush down. So stop losses give you they're a safety net, but sometimes the safety net can be a little bit too close to the floor, and if you're falling fast, you're still going to hit the floor. So just be careful of that. You might want to. I had a 20-cent trailing stop on it. So it was a 20-cent trailing stop. It gapped up and flushed down hard. So unfortunately, not only did it flush down hard, it wiped out all of the profits I'd made out on the move up as well. So and it kind of set me on tilt. But yeah. Good evening, Neve. Yeah, there you go, Mark. And this is why you want to diversify. Day trading is risky. Most people lose, and what you really want to be doing is, look. Actually, Captivision's back over back in profit. But what you want to be doing is you want to take your profits from day trading, you want to invest it longer term, but you also might want to do a few swing trades, buy some options, and that way you're not solely reliant on having just day trading because if you have a bad run in day trading and you end up blowing up your account, you shouldn't blow it. If you're exercising the proper risk management strategies, you shouldn't blow up your account. Simple as. And the more you eat into your account, the more you should size down. It's just standard risk management practice. Our Penduo Duo's breaking out. Is it? It's testing that resistance level I marked out from earlier. Yeah, well, look, it happens. And I'm fortunate enough that I've built up my account over time, that I've got a nice large account, and I can take a hit from time to time. I don't like it. I don't like it. And I particularly don't like when I have, like I'd say this last couple of months, I've been finding it a bit difficult for whatever reason. And I've had more red than I should have done. There's more red in my ledger than there should be. Cheers, Matt Jr. But you might want to check on the on the title of this channel. It's Day Trade with Tony. So what happened last week and this week? You know what? We're not too bothered. We're in the moment. We're about what's happening today. Yes, we look at the S&P 500. Yes, we look at the NASDAQ 100. Yes, we look at the markets overall. We even look at crypto from time to time. But it doesn't matter if the market's selling off, correction, sideways, up or down. We're looking for stocks that are having the moment in the sun, and we're looking that have that momentum on the day. Pinduoduo has that momentum right now. It's had good earnings this morning. I managed to, I got in at like 128.60. Was able to ride it all the way up to 137. Got exited at 136 on the pullback. But yeah. Hey Dilwar, good to see you, buddy. It's night time there, Alistair. I'm not in the small. I'm not into night swimming. I suppose I could do it. I've never even thought about that. Yeah, well, it wasn't a false breakout. I got a nice portion of the upswing, the breakout to the upswing. It was the halt had exactly the effect that these volatility halts are supposed to have, which is, you know, reduce the volatility. But it went overkill and went the other way. So it increased the volatility to the downside instead of just slowing the volatility to the upside. Hey Alberto. Hey Puno, just stick it in between TQQQ. Watch it grow at 30% a year. 25-30%. That's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Not offering financial advice, stock picks or signals. Just the meanderings and the opinions of a fat guy on the internet. I don't like it. So I've drawn this resistance level here, which was support here. There's another resistance up at 137, but 136.25 was confirmed support, then it's become resistance, and now it's resistance again. So duo, if you can get up with that resistance level, happy days. It's had a good move today, to be fair. ICCM still moving, pulling back a little bit now though. A double topped up there, 147. Below the VWAP right now, so you know. Captivision and flat on the day at the moment. Captivision's below the VWAP. It did gap up first thing, but it's below the VWAP and it's pretty much been selling off all morning. So I'm not overly enamoured with Captivision this morning, even though it is up on the gappers list. So RNA and Pinduoduo. So Pinduoduo and RNA. These are the two that I'm watching. At $8, don't mind that. I need to retake the VWAP back over 840, 850. Pinduoduo is still above the VWAP, needs to get over 136.25. It's a much higher price stock, but the range is a lot bigger, so you go in with smaller size. I think you know the answer to that, Bob. We'll see. I'll just take the A plus setup from here. I've got a 2K cushion on the gold today. Yeah, popped up and back down again. No volume. Big movie yesterday. Not doing anything today. Ooh, big sell-off. Why is that down so hard? Right at the death. Oh, it's first thing in the morning. Why did that drop so much? Immune. Yeah, huge. Let's have a quick look. Oh, they announced an offering or something. Usually that's... Oh yeah, there you go. See, I didn't even need to look and I told you what was there. So Tharimmune price is a 10 million public offering, 10 million common shares and $1 a share. So that's why they... it's an S1, so that'll... Yeah, that came out after hours last night. So as soon as it opened for business this morning, it just sold off. So it had a nice run up yesterday, did Tharimmune. So let's look at this on the 15. You'll see what I'm talking about. So it had a lovely run up yesterday, and then sold off, and just had a reverse stock split a couple of days ago, run up, and then come back the reverse stock split, they've actually hit the market with another offering. That's what they do. That's what garbage companies do. They'll have a reverse stock split to remain in compliance, then they hit the market with an offering to get some money in the book and pay the bills. Because they're not making any money. They're not making any money. Definitely. The definition of a pump and dump, that one, Vols. Well done. Yeah, so SMX is trying to come around but getting volume shot on it. So what else? Nothing. We'll just wait. The S&P 500 is down slightly on the day after a bit of a. If you look at this on the daily, it's just consolidation mode at the moment. It's up here at kind of 450, between 453, 452, 455. It's in consolidation mode. The last week, I would say. So if you include today, the last 4 days plus today, it's just kind of sideways. A little bit of a consolidation pullback. If this was a 1 minute chart on a stock, you'd be like, yeah, this is still very bullish. And looking for a continuation. So I wouldn't get too upset about the markets selling off and correcting. I still expect that Santa Claus rally and maybe get over 470, 475 before the new year. Is that a ticker, is it, Buster? Come on, guys, let's get that like count up. Smash the thumbs up button. Smash the thumbs up button. Really does help me out if you smash that thumbs up button. Not asking you for super chats or gifts or thank yous or anything like that. What I am asking you for is the thumbs up. Smash the thumbs up button. Just do me a favour, smash that thumbs up button. That's less than half of you have. For the rest of you, so for the third of you that have smashed the thumbs up button, thank you very much, I appreciate it. For those 2/3 that haven't, you're just a bunch of leeches. Come on, sort it out. Show some appreciation. So, Grupo Supervela. So this is what you're looking at, Buster, with no volume. So it's 4.6% up on the day, SUPV but there's no volume on it. It's less than 18,000 shares traded so far today. Needs more volume, needs a bit of range, needs a bit of volatility. It's like less than 3 cents on the average true range on the 1 minute chart. So needs both volume and volatility. One without the other is useless. Without both, it's not even worth talking about. So yeah, if you this did move up fairly well yesterday and the day before, but it's not doing. There's no volume today. Not yet, at least. So maybe after the bell rings in about an hour, you might get some volume in. Firm testing the VWAP. Slightly up on the day. Firm holdings. It's not looking. Didn't look very good to me. Side spark did make some a little bit of a pop, but no continuity. It's up to $11 and back. Side spark, when it moves up well, but then pulls back just as quick. So you've got to be take your profits on the way and then get out and leave it. That's side spark. The majority of pops are actually red candles on the day. It moves up pre-market and then sells off. It's not often you get a green candle with side spark. And if you do, it's usually a wick. Still watching RNA. I want RNA to hold $8. RNA above $8, it still potentially could be a gap and go. I mean, it's still 30% up on the day, so we could still get a gap and go action on it. But still, it needs to be over the VWAP. I'm not taking any long trades below the VWAP today. That's today's rule. Call me out on it if I break it. Hey, Radko. NASDAQ is trying to make a move back up, as is the S&P 500, the SPY. So, SPY back over the VWAP, a little bit of a VWAP bounce going on there. Same thing with the NASDAQ, the break and then the bounce, and the continuation. So maybe we're going to have a green day today. Let's see. Red at the moment. What do you think? Red or green day today? Shush, Alistair. You're calling me a degenerate. You're worse. Let me know, guys. What do you think? A red or a green day? And I'm talking about the markets, not my account balance. If I asked you my account, but I think too many of you be saying red, so. Yeah, well, I'm kind of optimistic today. I think we've had a bit of consolidation, a bit of sideways tracking. A few dojis actually on the daily. On the daily. Look at these, kind of pretty much dojis. Green doji, white doji, not slightly green doji, red doji. Obviously, we edit the minutes on this one. But pretty much dojis. There's no real range within these 5 candles here at the moment. So yeah, I think we may well have a green day today. Not saying we will. I'm not saying go out and buy SPY calls right now for Friday's close. I would never do that. Just the meanderings of a fat guy on the internet. Yeah, there you go, Alistair. I would have been you. I would have, when it was coming back down to the $0.50, I would have taken profits at the $0.50. Maybe keep a little bit in for the move back up, but you know, there's no harm taking profits. Nobody goes broke taking profits. That's what they say, and it's true. Nobody ever goes broke taking profits. So what we're seeing at the moment is movement is all on the ETFs. Top movements at the moment. Direction daily ETFs. D triple Q. Moving to the upside. Oh, Shopify. Shopify's looking like it's trying to make a move up. That had a hard sell-off. Why did Shopify sell off so hard this morning? That's a good question, Tony. Yeah, well, I'm thinking, you know, Santa Claus rally for December. That's what. Oh, nice one, Apuno. It's nice to hear you finally announcing a little bit of green. Well done, buddy. Shopify down quite a bit. 90 cents. It's down quite a bit in pre-market. It doesn't say why. Yeah. Reborn coffee. Popped up to 73 cents, pulled all the way back. But look. Applied DNA up to 94, but no volume. High spot, another little spike, no volume. So it's just a case of wait and be patient now, guys. Nothing moving of any kind of volatility to take advantage of right now. The SGL was an early mover this morning. It's below the VWAP. But in after the close, it moved up really well after yesterday after the close. Good day yesterday. Citigroup. City Trends, it's down heavy. Marathon Digital showing up. Again, not great volume. No, the most I'm going to risk today is 2K. I'm staying above goal. So after the open, the most I'll risk is 2K. Well, we've got an hour yet, so there's time to make more yet before the market opens. I'm going to lock in the 6K for sure. Okay, good luck. That will be the other channel, Matt. That will be the channel. The channel that you're looking for that one, Matt, is Swing Trade with Tony. I mean, if we're day trading, so just swinging with Tony Alistair, don't get excited. We're going about crop cam again all over again. So no, we're not doing that. The missus wouldn't allow it. She's very possessive, hence the engagement ring. So no swinging with Tony anymore. Those days are behind me, and quite frankly, I'm too tired to do that these days. But anyway, that's besides the point. So just for Matt and the other guy's sake, steel wheat with Tony, maybe Morg. Steel wheat. That was me in a different lifetime. But you want to look at SCO, okay? So this is a ProShares ETF, which looks at the oil and gas, the petrochemical industry, okay? And I don't trade ETFs because they're a derivative. I'd rather trade USO or something like that. I'd rather trade the actual companies that are involved in the oil. But from a day trade point of view, if I included ETFs into my strategy, this would not be one that I would be looking for. Because there's no volatility. It's pretty much flat on the day, like less than 1%. Up on the day, so it's pretty much flat on the day, and there is absolutely no interest in trading it. There's no volume. So from a day trade point of view, SCO is not a day trade stock. ETFs are more for swing trading. If you're going to be swing trading, you can include ETFs into your strategy. That's not a problem, because what you tend to find is ETFs usually based on an index or they're based on a market sector. And you'll find that either the index, the market, like the SPY is based on, so for example, the SPY is an ETF based on the S&P 500. The QQQ is an ETF based on the NASDAQ 100, as is the TQQQ, but that's a leveraged ETF based on the NASDAQ 100. The Russell Index, the IWM is an ETF, the iShares ETF based on the Russell 2000. So it's based on an index, but you've got other, like I say, SCOs is based on the sector, market sector. Now, what tends to happen is if the market's moving or there's a sector of the market moving, then they tend to trend. And they'll hold that move for a day, 2, 3, 4 days, or whatever. It's a bullish move, it might be a week that they'll move that. So you've got a longer period of time, and that's why you swing trade, and that's why you would take a position on low volume. Volume's not a real big indicator for swing trading. It's really the fundamentals are more important than the volume. So you take a position and you have your stop loss and you have your take profit, and you'll just set the trade in motion, and away you go. Spamming your swing trades on a day trading channel is just going to make you look silly. Sorry. But yeah. I don't know I actually don't know what somebody's modus operandi is when they come onto a day trading channel. A, we won't trade ETFs. B, we won't trade low volume stocks with no momentum. We're looking for high momentum stocks. We're looking for good volume, and we're looking for high volatility so that we can actually get a range that we can take advantage of. So what would be the reason for coming on and spamming an ETF in the oil industry? Do you think a channel like mine has got so much influence I can actually help you make it move up? It's not going to work. I mean, if you're just voicing your opinion, fair play, but like I say, that's swing trade with Tony, not day trade with Tony. I hope you've learned the lesson. Activision pretty much flat on the day. It is the top moving stock right now to the upside, over $2. So that's not strictly true. VDR active, but not on any kind of decent volume. It's underneath the view. I mean, it's over $5. We might have another look, but it's not going to go up to like $8, $9 like it did yesterday. I can't see it. Interest having a move. Again, I say low volume. This is no volume. Absolutely, Mark. Absolutely. Yeah. Yeah, well, I could do that. Change the name of this and to stock trading with Tony instead of day trade with Tony. And yeah, stone cold. Morning, Thomas. But look, from a day trading, there's a big difference between day trading and swing trading, and there's a big difference between swing trading and value investing. They're not, people confuse the lot of them, and they're very different things. So I do all of them. But the main income that I would use is from day trading. We're talking about stock trading in general. So the three kind of buckets that I would look at is day trading is the most volatile. It's the highest risk, but it's the highest reward as well. Okay, so if you've got a good strategy and good discipline, which I didn't have yesterday, good strategy and good discipline is you're going to make more money day trading than you will value investing. But you can lose more money day trading than you will value investing as well. And there is where you've got to strike the balance. So what do you do if you're making profits consistently? HNRA, let's push that up. You're making profits consistently. What do you do with those profits? Well, you should be looking at either swing trading or value. You should be looking at value investing, looking for your future, looking. Index-linked ETFs are a great place to put your money, in my opinion. Okay, because you're never going to outperform the market long term. You can build your own portfolio, which is what I'm trying to do. Build my own little portfolio. Which it will include index-linked ETFs. The closer you get to retirement, the more you want less risky, more sustainable positions in your long-term portfolio. Swing trading is kind of the hybrid between the two. Now, day trading technicals are primary. You're looking for high volatility. You're looking for the technical analysis. The fundamentals are less relevant. You don't care whether a company's making money or not. You don't care whether a company's going to be around in 6, 12, 18 months, 3 years. It doesn't matter. You just want to trade that momentum intraday. So the fundamentals are less relevant. Conversely, value investing, fundamentals are king. If the fundamentals don't look good, you don't buy it. You're not. If it's not making money, why would you invest in it? It's as simple as that. If it's in the embryonic stage and it's an innovative technology leader and it's going through that seeding stage, then you might want to invest in it. But the chances are, if it's a penny stock or a $1, $2, $3, $4 stock, it's not making money. You don't want to be investing in it. You don't want to be holding it long term. This over $0.50. and we get over the $0.50. So this is HNRA acquisition. Required entity report for 20.3 million in revenues and solid earnings for the 9 months ending September 30th. 3.2 million in float. There's the $0.50. Half off. Get out. There you go. There you go, dude. I mean, it's easier to do it that way. Hey Ian, how you doing, buddy? My biggest client when I worked in Dell was Rolls-Royce, Puno. People are like, can you get any freebies off Rolls-Royce? I'm like, what do I want a jet engine for? You know, a car, can you get, you know, like, Rolls-Royce don't make cars. That's Jaguar. Or BMW. That was disappointing. Thought we were going to get a continuation. Still might yet. Or not. Well, that was a bit of a bull trap. Okay, next candle makes a new high after the pullback, and it pulled back. VWAP, I'll get out. Oh, a little bit of volatility, 15 cents on the ATR. Spreads are only like 2 cents, between 2 and 5 cents on the spreads, so you want to be risking 15 to 20 cents is kind of the risk. You want to be putting your stops at least, if you're not going to stop there. I risk 30, so that's not ideal. Am I going to make 30? Is this going to go up to $3? Probably not. Yeah, they are. Particularly these low price stocks. They're a lot more frequent than they used to be. The continuation, it used to be seamless. You get that pullback, new high and you get a continuation, you get at least 10, 20 cents. Now it's like, as you saw there, 3, 4 cents. So I didn't really get anything because of the spreads. Like I said, I've got a 2K cushion on the day that I can play around with. And get a new high here. It might go again. Get a new high here. I think I will get out actually, but I don't trust it. Take half off at the high of day. Continuation, I can always scale back in. I'll wait for it to break $3 before I do that. Try and be disciplined today. I'll take the 450. It's a nice base hit. That's the different. That's the big thing, dude. Is not to panic when you've got something that's moving up. First pullback, it's got a decent catalyst. It's got high volatility. You're looking at, okay, panic and lose them, and it's a loss. Have you risked more than you really wanted to? Yes. But I looked at it and I thought, okay, I'll give it to the VWAP. I didn't really want to give it 30 cents, but I'll give it to the VWAP. And then it bounced on the VWAP and moved up, and I got a nice profit out of it. So not huge. I mean, I was potentially at 1200, risk 1200 to make 450. That's not good risk management, risk reward ratio. But hey, all green's good green. See this up at $3 if you can. And I'm risking 500 here. I'm risking 50 bucks to make. So I've got the 450 cushion, and I'll get out of it with it 20 cents. So like 16 cents on the ATR. Spreads like 4 or 5 cents. So that's all I'm risking. 20 cents. This next candle to make a new low will be me out. Yeah, volatile stocks tend to be whippy head. We like volatility, just remember that. The key is not to panic when it gets whippy. Set your mark, both in terms of take profit and stop loss. Execute when they hit. $95 on the ask. We're looking for $3. There's $3. I'm not, I've no intention of giving it back today. I didn't get him. Like I say, on this one, first candle to make a new low is my out. Profit or not. Oh, this candle is 284 at the moment. Oh, the last candle is 274. 13 cents I'm risking at the minute. No, I'm just going to take the 150 bucks. It is shortable vols. I can't remember which broker you're with, whether they've got whether your broker's got shares or not, but it's not on the short sale restrictions list, so yes, it's shortable. Hey Rob. Oh look, 600 bucks on that is it's a nice base hit. So we've had a couple of good base hits, and the home run on Pinduoduo today. It's finding a bit of resistance up at the whole $1.03, which you kind of expect. I was hoping it would break and hold 3, but it's time yet. We've got half an hour before the market opens. Nice little flag setting up here. Yeah, they're just a lot of these low price stocks. I mean, this is why the competition on Monday is going to be a lot easier to trade than trading these low float stocks, simply because of the volatility. You get a stock that's trending, it's not going to flush down on you if it's one of the top S&P stocks. You just manage your risk accordingly in terms of share size. But yeah, these stocks, if you get continuation, great, you can ride the momentum up, but you've got to be wary that it can pull back just as quickly as it can move up. And the terrible stocks for that lately. $65 up on the day. I'll wait for it to break 3. I've now got a $600 cushion on this stock, so I can afford to trade it a little bit more blasé. Oh, we've got another one. What's going on here? Premarket Medical, is that a reverse stock split? Must be. Can't be up 4,000%. Exclusive. Clear Mind Medicine psychedelic-based treatment shows encouraged preclinical activity in obesity, metabolic disorders. Is this not a... It's a 30-to-1 reverse stock split. I was thinking, what's going on here? It's a 30-to-1 reverse stock split. They had a delisting notice from the NASDAQ, so they had to do a reverse stock split, 30-to-1, to get back into compliance with NASDAQ regulations. And Clear Mind Medicine announced positive results from its weight loss and metabolic disorder program with its proprietary psychedelic-based treatment. Hey man, that's groovy, psychedelic man. 20% shorted. The 14.5 million float prior to the stock split. So what's that? 14, call it 15 million, 530, that's 500,000. Yeah. Rest of the day, Robin. It's 10:05 in the evening here. I don't have a rest of the day. But yeah, cheers, buddy. This is Clear Mind Medical. Right now, I don't trust it, but we'll see. I'll put it on watch. RNA seems to be done and dusted, so I'll put HNRA on watch. Yeah, we're watching Clear Mind right now, Victor. Morning, Vegas. Good to have you. Come on, guys, let's get that like count up. Less than half of you have actually hit the thumbs up button. You're all telling me how much you enjoy the show. You're all telling me that this is the best show on the old tube of you, but you don't hit the thumbs up button. So come on, guys, smash that thumbs up button. Smash that thumbs up button. We need the like count up. The better the like count, the better it is for me. It's better it is for you, because what it does is, if we get a higher interaction in terms of likes, then YouTube, it helps with the YouTube algorithm. It pushes it out to more people's suggestions. We get more people in the chat, becomes more interactive, and it's a win-win for everybody. So hit that like, hit the thumbs up button, hit that like counter, and help everybody out. $1,500, Robert. Give me a little bit of wiggle room. 1,500. I'll keep 7. Oh, HNRA just broke out and I missed it. Over $3 now. Oh, this is 314. So that's me out. 214. I'm effectively giving it 13 cents. I won't stop trading, I'll just shut it down for the day. Disciplined. Try and be disciplined. I didn't do that well enough yesterday. Oh, we've got 20, just over 20 minutes before the bell rings. H&R acquisition. Got some volatility this one. 20 cents on the average through range. So good volatility, strong volatility. Spreads between 2 and 5 cents. So you're risking 20 to 25 cents. If you take a position, you need to be able to, work out your risk based on a 20 to 25 cent stop. Of course you meant for the day, Robert. I'm only messing with you. Of course I know what you meant. I'm getting thirsty as it happens. I wonder if my lovely lady's watching this and gets the hint. Well, I only need 2k to get green on the week for yesterday's debacle. I might, from January, I might just do 3 days a week, Tuesday through Thursday, and have nice long weekends with the family. We'll see what happens. It frustrates the hell out of me just sitting around doing nothing. So it's in the evening, so it's okay. We'll see. Depends on the demand, I guess. If you guys want me to carry on Monday through Friday, then why not? Let me have a quick look at guys' earnings. So earnings on Tuesday, just not a huge amount. After hours today, we've got CrowdStrike. That could be interesting. Splunk, Workday, HP. Right, okay. It might be worth sticking up for staying up tonight. NetApp. So there's some good Splunk, Workday, CrowdStrike, Splunk, and NetApp could be of interest after hours. If they move like Pinduoduo did this morning, there's money to be made there. We'll see. Yeah, he was not best pleased with me yesterday. That's the truth. I finished up here. I went to the bedroom and the door was locked. She says for other reasons, but I'm like, yeah, okay. Alright, so we've topped out on the volume there. Reached a volume top at the moment, so I need to see an increase in volume on this if I'm going to continue trading it. It's just good to have a partner of them, to be fair. I don't have cold nights where I need a cuddle, but, you know. Oh, we've added to our menagerie as well, guys. So, you know what? Obviously, we have Miyako, I have the cat, we've added to our menagerie today because the cat came in with a chicken. So a little baby chicken, a little chick, and still alive, just battle wounded, that's about it. And the cat brought this chicken and was going to eat it, and we had to rescue this chicken off the cat. So now we've got a chicken, a little chick. So we've got a chicken, a dog, and a cat. So it's funny how your family grows inorganically. Got to nurse this little chicken back to health. I've already told her that's December's Christmas dinner. She wasn't having any of it. Marley certainly wouldn't have any of it. She's obsessed with the little chick now. This is the top momentum stock right now. This moment in time. That's not good. Come on. It didn't look right. The scanner's not updating properly. Let's get the scanners back into action. Yeah, farm livestock with Tony. Oh, guess we'll just still watch now. BDRX making move. actually red on the day still. And the volume still isn't great, but spiked up, almost took $5. Buy a Dexa, still don't like it. Empty. No volume. Yeah, we just gotta wait now, I guess. Like we might get a bounce on the VWAP here. You can get back over $3, make a move up. Why not? Ding, 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 ding. Well, it's nice music when there's not a lot of action. It's an action music. That's what it is. It's action music. It's good music when there's not a lot of action to take advantage of. We just right, we're back over $3. I'll take it there, 306, and that way I can do 15 cents. Not really risking much. I'll give it 16 cents, about $2.90. Nice round number. 22. 9:22. So I've got 8 minutes. 8 minutes before the market opens. I'll bother with the I think I'm 290 gone. Not every trade goes your way. Not every day's a green day. But today's a green day and it's staying that way. $290 is my exit. Not risking too much on this. Very tight stop. Oh, Robin, did the music, you not like that music? No, different strokes, different folks. Some people love that high energy guitar music, you know? Are you at goal yet, Puno? That's a good question. I know you're green, but are you at gold? Nice to see you have a day at over gold for a change. I like myself. Nice to take and hold 3 into the open. A nice little move up. Risking 16 cents here. Expensive. $400, 16 cents. I'm not even risking 400, I'm risking 200 because I've already got 200 as cushion. We've got less than 5 minutes left of the pre-market session. Thank you guys. We've just got 50 likes, but there's all 40 odd people have not 50 people have not liked the stream. If you're watching and you haven't hit the thumbs up button, do me a favour, hit the thumbs up button. Just helps me out. Just appreciate it if you do. Yeah, just watch it. Just either switch to paper or just you know, lock your montage, sit back and let the first 15-minute candle, the opening candle, 15 minutes, let that opening 15-minute range form. Very close to my stop, which is 290. I don't want to hold this below $3 into the open, so I will be cutting it one way or another. I thought we were actually going to make some money on it then for a second. Oh, that's I'll cut it at 3. Well, we've got you can like it if you can like it if you're not logged in. Sure. $290. I'll have to look at that. Can you press the like button if you're not logged in? You're just watching it and you're not logged in. It's trying to bounce on the 20, but it's not looking too strong here. So you know what? I'll give it another 30 seconds, and if I'm not green on it, I'm going to get out. Going to get out here ahead of the open. We've got 30 seconds before the bell rings. I'm not convinced this is going up at the bell, so I can always get back in. 10-cent trailing. Where's that? $0.10 trailing stop in there. That's stopped out. Pin duo smashed. So good luck, guys. No. I'm on the wrong bloody thing. Catastrophe. What's going on? That was a catastrophe. Monumental order. Get out. Why is my bloody buttons not working? Hotkeys. I can't believe that. I just cannot believe that. I am so annoyed now. My hotkeys weren't working. I had the number lock off on my You couldn't write it. What just happened is one of my hotkeys, a lot of my hotkeys are on my the number pad on. So I'll have like control and number one or whatever, and I'm trying to exit on the number pad and it's not working because I've got number lock's not on. So I've got the number lock off, which means it's not hitting the hotkey, it's not executing hot, so it's just my outlet. My own fault. So now, oh, it's still green. Get green, stay green. Halfway there again. Pre-market highs in range. There's that pre-market high. Yeah, an expensive boo-boo, but I think it is what it is. I'm going without. Oh, I thought it was going without me. markets move quick, so I've got to be careful I don't risk too much too soon. $0.50 trailing stop. I'll probably get stopped out with that, but we'll see. There we go, stopped out. So 4,600. We're nearly there. We're nearly there. I'll change the scanners over. I was feeling good about myself then. The number lock. Why would I put that on some merch, Fuzzy, when you don't even buy the merch that I've got out there already? It's all it takes, Vegas. All it takes is a few minutes. $137.88. Hold this 137.21. Well, let's have a look at that while BDDs. I was looking at it, but I've not got a resumption price. This'll really, yeah. Anyone got a resumption price? Got 0 on the resumption price. Which obviously it's not going to 0, but $1.70 gap. I've seen them before. It's not on a $1.70 stock. You got 950. Oh, it's big movie yesterday. Oh, I've got 613, 555, $5. So this is going to be a 10-minute halt. So I wouldn't even bother coming back for it. It's going to be a 10-minute halt. We'll probably gap up to $2 maybe, if we're lucky, and then I can start looking at it. Everything's selling off. No, it's hard to borrow. This could be sharpenable. And do a door. On 37 was resistance pre-market, so I want to see if it turns to support now. Low 137 and we can start scaling. Yeah, you need a larger account. It's shortable. It's easy to borrow, but depending on who you're with, whether you get leverage or not. But you see, you do need a larger account. Tried sharpening it, it went beyond my stop, so $10-minute halt anyway, so it won't gap up from below $2 up to $8. It'll probably be about $2.20 or something like that, I would imagine. In the spreads. Nice to retest the highs here. $39 on this candle, just. Didn't. What was that? Didn't get filled. At 139.10. Didn't get filled. 139.07 or whatever it was. They had to get filled up. Great, hell out of me now. Takes that off. High. Range on this is huge. A little bit of profit there. All right, let's come back to $15-minute halt. Yeah, I figured it looked kind of volatile, so come on, let's have you over that $50. Need a new high of day. 360, 365. That's the $0.50. My buy price on the ask, we want higher than that. $50 again on the ask. Struggling at the $0.50 here. I'll leave that stop there till it actually confirms or stops me. Just got my stop just below the pre-market high. Was resistance, now support. So I just want to give it that wiggle room. I'm watching RDH as well, currently halted at 171. I've got a 240 resumption, but that looks about right. So it should resume in about 30 seconds. I'll have to get stopped out on this one. There you go. We'll go to this one. Pinduo looking, testing high of day. So about 10 seconds. Let's see what happens. 240, 245, 246. Don't chase it. Now, look, 20-minute halt. That's a big halt. Red Hill Biopharma. I'll just give it a couple of seconds to see if it's a late resumption, but it doesn't look like it. That's 16.5 minutes. It must be 20 minutes. It's under 140 here now. Looking for a break below 139. Maybe 50-cent move to the downside as opposed to the upside would be nice. I'm gambling here, really. It's still looking very strong above the 9. And I'm going short on it. It's not ideal, but it's just that it's right at the top. High of day, nearly. I'm looking for it to do a bit of a pullback. We'll scalp that pullback. I want to see it top that, touch that pre-market high on 38 something. Looks more like it's coiling under that 140 for a breakout rather than a breakdown. I might have got this one wrong. So the 5-minute wicks look like it's extended. I could have got this one very wrong. We'll see. RDHL resumed. Thank you very much, my love. Hi, sweetie. Oh, we broke a new low there, but we didn't have the continuation. Broke below the 9. Lower highs and lower lows. Locksmiths, and I'll be okay. He's not falling out with me yet. That's the scalp I'm looking for. Break into this pre-market range. I was right. I wasn't wrong. I was right. Looking extended. Well, I'm just going to take that. Get a bit more green on the board. Brought me nice drink, nice ice cold drink. I needed that. Okay. It's mega shortable. Does that give it any more likelihood of price increasing, or just doesn't matter? It doesn't matter. It just means it's a liquid stock. If your broker's got lots of shares to lend, it just means it's a liquid stock. That's all it means. Right, what else is moving? Well, I think we're going to get back over gold today. I really do. Let's have a look at RDHL. Is it the flag? Is it a, it's not out of structure yet. It's not broke structure to the downside. So yeah, breaking lows on the day now. So I probably could short this for a profit. It is shortable. S&P 500 is sort of SPY. Bit of a W shape on the SPY. Maybe we'll get green. Needs 450, 450 is pretty much where it needs to be. 450, 448 was the closing price yesterday. So can the SPY get bullish? We do have 2 IPOs due for today. The question is, are they still going on today? Upcoming IPOs. So I know one looked like it was getting pushed. Yeah, it did. So Fembo Holdings is TDTH, so that got pushed. I thought it was gonna do, but Fembo Holdings, so FIBO, FEBO, that should still go live at some stage today. In Duo. It's consolidating sideways, so I'll wait for that to break a new higher today before I look at it from a bullish perspective. So we've almost got our money back on PDD. Not quite. I don't know that it was. Should have been a bit more aggressive. RDHL is what we're looking at. That's the top momentum stock right now. Entering momentum to the downside. Money Hero. Let's have a look at MNY. Usually have much volume, but Money Hero, I don't like it. The break of the VWAP could have been nice, but the rest, too many whips. Big gap down when it halted up as well. Look here at the open. So Money Hero moved up really nicely, halted, and look at the gap down. Like 25 cent gap down before the flush. It bounced and flush. Oh yeah, Money Hero probably not worth trusting that. Just based on that one piece. Let's have a look. What else is moving, guys? Marpai. Marpai's having a good day. Had a good day on Thursday last week. It's up to 340 something. 346. Marpai's having a good day. Not with the best volume, but it's decent. I mean, it's 1.3 million. Normally does 2.5, so it's kind of half at the moment. It's probably average volume. At the moment, it's about half average volume. But by the end of the day, it's probably going to finish about average. So that's Marpai. Still watching for a potential breakout here. I'm just watching it on the 5 minute and anything else. So 230. Yeah, Robin, if it breaks out, 230 on the 5 minute is the high of the 5 minute candle. So I'm kind of seeing that. Previous red candle was the low was $2, but $1.99. So if it holds above $2, you might get a double bottom here at $2 and then a move up that kind of W shape on the 1 and 2 minute. Yeah, it's getting it's a lot more thickly traded than it was pre-market, that's for sure. Hang on a minute, but like ATGL, I like it, but no volume. Alpha Technology. Same with Suncar. No volume. Wheels up. Yeah, don't like that either. Giving it 10 cents. Let's see, does it move up or does it break lows? But for that brain fart earlier, I think I've been a hell of a lot more disciplined today. Get 20 cents on this, I'll scale in a bit. Looking for 31 on the bid. 231. That takes us over 5k. Alright, only another K to do. Do I have any volunteers? Do I have any stocks volunteering for me? Ah, missed that breakout, didn't I? Too busy looking for the next shiny object. Should have been paying attention. That's a nice little move, and I missed it. So 10.21 will come back. That would have taken me to goal, would have that? Shoulda, woulda, coulda. I had X Farmer trying to do a red to green. It's underneath the VWAP, so I'm not interested. Direct digital, it's above the VWAP, but not great volume, so not interested. ECIG, moving up, not on great volume, not interested. Ah, great, good stuff. Are you not at goal yet, Alistair? I don't know what market you're looking at, Miami. Oh yeah, the market itself, the SPY itself's not doing much at all. It's like 0.1%, a tenth of a percent down on the day, but it's very sideways choppy. It has been for the last few days, but after such a big move up throughout November, November's been extremely bullish. So you could look at the SPY on the market. So you look at the back end of October, how much we've moved. $50 on the SPY. In the last month, so a bit of consolidation is healthy. It's not pulling back too much, so that's nice and bullish. So I wouldn't worry too much about the overall market right now. It's just consolidating. We're having a bit of consolidation. That's fine. When it does start to move back up, it will do. And we've got some big earnings. We've got some decent earnings calls later this week as well. So they may have an impact on the market as well. So yeah. So I wouldn't worry too much about the market just being sideways. It's different. What you need to do is just concentrate on what it is you're trading. If you're a market trader, an index trader, not a lot to profit from, not much range. But there's always a stock, there's always at least one stock that's breaking out. Yeah, I'm not interested in gold there, Miami. Not unless you're buying, not unless you want to talk about my engagement ring. Yeah, that sounds like me, Alistair, but that's what I was thinking, Robin. I should have first kept them in. I should have kept a piece in here. But look, it's all good. It's all green. So we've got just over a minute, 90 seconds before that resumes. So we'll come back to that if there's anything else moving, even remotely. A 265 level resumption. So SMX moved up nicely pre-market. It's 135 now. If you like these low price stocks, I mean, it's a $5 stock a couple of months ago. And Duo looks to be popping out here around 136. So, like I say, it breaks again. If it breaks below the 20, I think Duo could be nice for a short again for a short. So, although it is kind of ascending wedge, oiling under that 140 range, 139.70, 140. Current high of the day is 139.88. So big pullback. That's nice, that, Robin. around, bouncing around. My P&L's bouncing around here, back down to 4. Absolutely, Robin. Absolutely. Give me some bread at least. Volume's way lower than it was though. Oh, decent. Do up the shorting. I did say if it breaks below the 20, and look at that. Look at it go. Way. Been watching it. Below the 20, it was good for a short, and there you go. It's gone. Now you've got the pre-market high, and then you've got the whole dollar of 138. The VWAP bounce. It didn't even register me that that was the VWAP. Idiot. This is why I'm not good at shorting. So I keep selling when I just want to buy. I want to cover. So where my hotkeys are set up, and my mind is set up. Make your mind which way you want to go. Pim, 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 duo, 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 duo. That'll do. Bouncing on the VWAP. Back over 138.20 and go long again. Slithering. Cellaring. It usually does, Robin, to be fair. If you look at when PD, let's just look at it on daily and you'll see what I'm talking about. So you look at it on the daily, when it's had a big day, last time it had another big day. So big gap up. Here, actually, it moved up then pulled back on that one. So very similar to today. Any more big gaps up. So now this one, it actually pulled down and then moved back up the day after it sold off. There it gapped up and sold off. Looking for days where it's had a big gap up. Not many there. We've actually been at goal on Pinduoduo already today, believe it or not. So 4.5 on Pinduoduo. Yeah, that's not looking great. The thing we made bank on today was Avidity Bioscience selling off. Gonna bounce down there at 660, but still selling. Well, Ed, like you say, once you start, the fatigue is a thing. You know, overstaying your welcome is a real thing. So trader fatigue is a thing. Take breaks, take them regularly. If you start seeing that your gains are eating into, just lock it down. Come back a bit later. There's going to be. We've got our FIBO yet. There's no pricing on FIBO yet, so. Well, Pinduoduo is going to hover around the VWAP now. I'm going to wait one way or the other. It's going to trade between the VWAP and the pre-market high. Pre-market high was already support here, so I'm expecting to resistance here, 138.20, and then the VWAP. So this is the range that's going to decide where Pinduoduo goes now. I think it breaks back above the out of the pre-market range, it could move back up. But we had the death cross here, funnily enough, just after it broke the 20. I should have taken that trade at 139, but I was looking at other things. But if it breaks below the VWAP this time, I think if it closes out, a candle closes but under the VWAP, it's going to sell off, and probably will finish about 135 on the day, which is still up because it was 117. Where it is. So previous closing price was 117.72. So 135 close today would be amazing. Here we go again. This closes out. Next, first candle closes above below the VWAP, then next lowest candle. am I doing? Like an idiot. I'm buying instead of selling. Maybe that's fatigue setting in on me as well, Ed. I'm in big here. Pretty much everything I've got. This is everything I've got. Well, a little bit left. Not much. Pretty much maxed out here on my buying power. Not like let's see how much this is going to give me. I've got a trailing stop to the short side now. Pretty much break even right now. I've got 50-cent trailing stop. Bit of slippage there, but still, we're not far off. Break even that last part, so did okay on that. Breaking out of the pre-market range on HNRA. W formation here. 1100 away. 1100 away from goal. What's just happened here? Amazing Solutions halted to the downside. Oh, I halted to the upside. 1385. What's the news on it? Is there any? Good stuff, Robin. No, I'm not seeing any news catalyst for American Solutions move. It's higher relative volume today, significantly higher relative volume. 2.6 million flows, but I'm not seeing any news specific catalyst, company specific news. Closed its private placement last week, Form 8 on Friday. I'm not seeing anything while that's moving up. The volume just came in, so 32 should have resumed by now. 36, so we've got 2 minutes, probably a 10-minute halt. Look at the S&P 500, my goodness. Talk about going green on the day. I said it'd go green today, I didn't think it'd go. It took by that much. Who was it said that the markets are awful? Miami Rocks, are you still watching? No movement on the market? Are you really saying there's no movement on the market? The S&P 500's just gone green. Significant green as well, look at that. NASDAQ, done the same thing. NASDAQ 100. What news has just dropped? Let me have a look. Has there been market news dropped at the bottom of the hour? 40. SPY. Give me some news, Benzinga. Give me some news. Waller's talking. Fed Waller says it could still be a shock that throws a soft landing off course, but that can't be forecast. Fed Waller says there will be a repricing of commercial real estate. Slower than common impact on credit delinquencies and earnings. GDP, all right, okay. Q4 GDP predictions. Fed Waller talking. That's what sparked the market into a frenzy, it looked like. GameStop seems to be moving with the market as well. Oh, GameStop's having a good day. Why is GameStop having a good day today? 7%. Not quite as volatile as I like to trade. No. Not seeing any new specific catalyst for GameStop either. But if you know something I don't know, let me know. What are they saying on the old Wall Street bets? Are you holding till break even on that short, Robin? Second half of your short, are you holding till break even or? Oh my goodness, that is well into bullish territory. Okay, fair play. At least you've done the right thing. You've taken some profit. That's the big thing. I'm 1100 away from goal on the day. I'm not going to rush it. Just think where I'll be now if I hadn't had that bloody number lock meltdown on my hotkeys. 6 grand better off, that's where I'd be. I'll be over 10 grand now. It is what it is. Look at Nasal Solutions, still halted. 10-minute, must be a 15-minute. Well, 47 MSS. Volatility looks like a 25. That can't be right. That cannot be right. Anybody else seen $25 resumption on Mason Solutions? MSS is the ticker. It's halted at 13.85, but I'm seeing a $25 resumption. That can't be right. Yeah, but I'm not longing. I'm not shorting something over the VWAP, and no, I'll wait for it to really break down now. I think you're right, Robin. I think shorting. My goodness, 20. It's like 100% up from where it's at right now, almost 80%, 85% up, or whatever. It can't be right, though. It just can't be right. So I'm expecting that number to change. That cannot be right. Obviously, a longer halt than there. It's starting to come down now. 23. Excuse me. 23. 24. So that's still ridiculous. Maybe a $17 resumption will be okay. Always risky to start short above the VWAP unless you see the signs of exhaustion, which is where I saw it earlier on Pinduoduo above kind of 130, below 139 to get the, and I missed it, but 23.90, 24, this will come down. It should come down at 21. Mine's actually gap down at this rate. 20. I need 25, wouldn't I? Yeah, I wouldn't hold my breath because this could still gap down yet. Wait for our 15-minute halt, and it's going to resume in about 20 seconds. But I think this is going to be a 20-minute halt. Yeah, I think 1482 is probably more like it. I'm seeing a large order at 1482 on the bid, which is probably like 5,000 shares. Yeah, there you go. It's going to be a 20-minute halt. We'll come back to that. Oh, Alistair. Forgot Newcastle are playing tonight, aren't they? Must win it. Is it PSG? Must win game. You beat them before, so why not again? But must win game for Newcastle tonight. Back out of the pre-market range. Oh look, any green, good green. That's good risk management, Robin. Good risk management. Test the highs. At over 139, I might scale in. 39 on the bid. Should have spotted that double bottom there, W shape. Nice W shape here. Didn't spot it because I wasn't looking at it. Aren't we all working on improving risk management? That's the golden secret to trading is risk management. If you get it right and you're disciplined every day, you're on to a winner. It's the days that you don't remain disciplined, you need to have cast iron discipline. And to be fair, I'm not too bad. I still have my momentary lapses, probably a little bit too often, but I'm not too bad. Need to over 130 EJH top mover at the moment. Oh, top long mover. Top mover is actually CAPT, crap division, to the downside, selling off hard. Whippy. Not as whippy as some of these lower price stocks that we've been trading, but it's still whippy. Probably going to be a 30-minute halt, close to 25. It could be. 25-minute halt, that is. Probably be a 30-minute. Most of doesn't want to break out or break down. It's going to be consolidation. I always get in at consult just as it starts to consolidate. What is it? If I could make money by picking consolidation spots, I would be a billionaire. Yeah, GameStop's having a decent day today. Between the spreads right now. Get over 39. 139, come on. Doesn't want to know. It's where it seems to be. Here we go. Yeah. 138.88 seems to be where it's failing. Getting 10 cents on the bid, but oh, there we go, 91. I have this can 139, so we've not got over it yet, but whatever in between the spreads here. We'll 9 of support right now, so that's kind of the exit. All the ad. Takes to 5k. Just bits and pieces. Yeah, another 5 minutes of MSS. So let's have a look at MSS. So I'm still looking at a $24 resumption, so that can't be right. So 32, that's half an hour already. This is a massive gap up if it is. But we'll come back at 11:07. I'm getting a bounce on the VWAP here. Sideways chop at the minute. Everything just sideways choppy at the minute. Top mover is Activision, trying to bounce on the bottom, over $3, and it continued. No volume. Not overly convinced. RDHL looks like it wants to get over the VWAP. More FIBO. Oh, FIBO's gonna be. Doesn't look like FIBO's going live today by the looks of it. Yeah, so doesn't look like the IPOs are. It looks like they've been pushed. Keep an eye out for FIBO later, but it looks like it's been pushed. Harley Perkins, I don't care. Do I reckon GBP USD will drop? I don't care. We're not a Forex channel. Forex is for mugs. But you do you, boo boo. You see your 23.99 on MSS. That's what I'm seeing for. This could be halted all day. I mean, we'll see. Strong 139, strong resistance there on Pinduoduo. Oiling under 139, so this could actually go back up to 140 again today. The high day 130, 139.88. So what do I trade? Equities. Equities there, Harley Perkins. Yeah, I mean, Forex is a mug's game. If you've not got a 7-figure account, you're going to lose money trading Forex. It's that simple. And the statistics will tell you that. The people make Forex, you just see them on YouTube and Twitter and TikTok. All these Forex traders in the Lamborghinis, yeah, rented Lamborghinis, by the way, in the Airbnbs, like making out, selling you a lifestyle, buy my Forex signals, and it's all BS. Forex is a mug's game. If you're trading Forex and you've not got a 7-figure account, the likelihood is statistically proven that you will lose money. Over 97%, I don't know the actual decimal, but over 97% of all Forex traders are long time and never profitable. Lose money completely. Now ask yourself a question, what makes you in the top 2.5%? Why are you different? And the chances are you don't have a 7-figure account. So the top 1.5%, 2% do have a 7-figure account, and that's why they're profitable. What do I trade? Equities, Susan. Equities, so stocks and shares. You find a catalyst, you find something that's moving, that's got good momentum. We get Pinduoduo here, for example, right now is breaking down. It's looking like it's coming back into the, it's rejected up there at 139. Couldn't get over 139 again, so it's now into the pre-market range again. So if this gets below the VWAP again, I'm going to short it again. And Maison Solutions, still no resumption. That's 36 minutes now. IPO today that was scheduled is Fibo. It's doesn't look like it's going ahead though, by the looks of it. So Penbo Holdings, it's called. Let's have a look. Go to my yeah, it still says it's going ahead, but not even price. $5 price. It's only 1 million shares in the float. Yeah. But holding, it still might go right live. I'm just not seeing. It's not priced on the exchange yet, so still might happen, but I doubt it. S&P 500. 137.80. I'll take a small position. There you go. Well, take a small position, and 138 is where I'm getting out. Breaks the VWAP on that. $0.10 spreads on this. Risking too much with that. Keep it simple, stupid, as they say. NSX. Thank goodness. 40 minutes and counting. I've got it on watch. I'll come back to it as and when. Volatility halt. It's not a new pending halt or anything like that, so safety shot. There's underneath the VWAP. Well, actually, you've had a bit longer than normal from me today, guys. So let's, whilst there's nothing moving right now, let's cover off where what's going on. Still, you can still see the day trade with Tony. If you want to get on day trade with Tony and learn how to trade, you can still do that with 40% off up until Thursday. So last couple of days, last couple of chances to get on it. Use the ticket, use the code Black Friday 40, and you can get on that day trade with Tony. Links in the description for day trade with Tony. And you can get that for 40% off. Use the coupon code Black Friday 40. So that's 70 quid to learn how to trade, okay? If you already know how to trade, not only do you get the education platform and the lecture material and everything else, you get access to my e-trading library, which is quite extensive. You get access to me as a mentor. You get access to the private trading forum. If you don't want to join Day Trade with Tony and take the course, then you can still get access to the Day Trading forum by becoming a member on YouTube. If you're it's members only access to the private forum. and Benzinga as well. Benzinga, remember Benzinga is 65, a whopping 65% off. Doesn't matter whether you're going for monthly, quarterly or annual, 65% off up until Thursday as well. So that the coupon code for Benzinga is 1123. 1123. So go check out Benzinga. Again, links in the description. And if you've not signed up to Benzinga, check it out for free. There's a link in the description in my link tree or whatever. The link tree just above there. Link tree, TikTok Trader. There's a link in the description. The scanners that are right behind me, that's Benzinga. Check it out for free for 14 days. But use that coupon code if you want it. If you like it and you want it, use that coupon code 1123. It'll get you 65% off for life. Okay. So I'm going to wrap it up. I'll be back at it tomorrow. I'm not finished trading yet, but I'm recording anyway, so I'll be back at it tomorrow at 8 a.m. We'll do it all again. We made 5K to, well, just shy of 5K. I was just $300 back to Pinduoduo, but we'll finish green today. I'm confident of it. I'm being a bit more disciplined. I'm not taking stupid trades, and if something moves, and something will, we'll finish green today. Okay. So I'll give you an update tomorrow and we'll see where we are. And in the meantime, take it easy. It's a pleasure and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.